Alex with windowcleaner.com. This is the Quadropod from Sorbo. You may have seen this on the website. It's a product that's been around for many years, but we've never done a video of it. Quadropod is a small bucket that rolls around very easily on 3 high-quality casters. This is great if you're doing a lot of interior work in a professional setting. The big advantage of this product is not that it just rolls, but you can simply pick it up and get into a tighter spot, go over a threshold in a floor perhaps, or just move it from room to room. Set it down just like that. Easy to go up and down stairs with as well. Lift, set down. You can also easily remove the bucket by just sliding these metal clips over. There's one on each side. Slide them both over. You can pick the bucket right up, bring it to the slop sink, fill it up, or empty it. To dip your scrubber in it, just dip one side, wring it out. Same thing on the other side. There's also built-in holders on here. Nice, convenient way to keep an extension pole handy. Extra squeegees. If you have long squeegees that don't fit in like a side bucket, this is a great place to put them. Not new, but it's a very cool product. We get a lot of questions on it. It's something completely different. It's not your normal bucket. It rolls around nice and easy. You can pick it up, move it from room to room, just like that. Set it down. The Quadropod can actually save your back. You're not bending over so much to wring out your scrubber and reapply water. It's right here in front of you. Easy to transport, easy to move. It's the Quadropod from Sorbo, and it's available at windowcleaner.com.